Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a symbolic link or symlink from one folder to another in Ubuntu, even if the folders have different names. This is a great way to simplify access or redirect paths, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, what is a symlink? A symlink is like a shortcut. It points one folder or file to another. So let's say when you access the link, it behaves like you are accessing the original file or folder. This is very useful if you want to keep the same data in multiple places or redirect old paths to new ones without moving the actual files. To begin, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Your terminal should now open in front of you. Next, the command to create a symbolic link is called ln-s. The -s part means symbolic, which creates a soft link. Here's what the structure of the command looks like. You can copy it from the description box below. In this command, there are two things. The first is the path to the origin, and the second is where you want the link to be. For example, this is where you enter the original path of the file, and here you enter the path where you want to create the link or shortcut. Let's try this with an example. Suppose you have a folder named Projects 2024 inside your documents, and for demonstration, I've already created this folder, as you can see. Now you want to create a shortcut to that folder on your desktop with a new name called WorkFolder. Here's what you have to type to do that, or you can paste the command and change the names accordingly. This command structure means there is a folder called Projects 2024 inside your documents, and it will create a new folder on your desktop with the name WorkFolder. After pressing Enter, a new folder called WorkFolder will appear on your desktop, but it's just a link that takes you into the Projects 2024 folder. Hit Enter to verify. As you can see, the folder appeared here, and you'll notice it has a small shortcut icon. Let's go inside Projects 2024 and see what's inside. As you can see, it has simple files here. Now, if I open the work folder, it should take you directly to the project folder in Documents as a shortcut. As you can see, you can also check if it worked or not. Open your terminal, paste the simple command, and then hit Enter. Here, you should see a folder like this as shown on the screen. If you see this, that means the work folder is pointing to your Projects 2024 folder. If that happens, you've successfully created a symbolic link. If someday you want to delete this symlink, it's not a problem. Just run this simple command and press Enter on your keyboard. As you can see, the folder is gone. To be clear, this only removes the shortcut. Your original folder in Documents remains safe and untouched. As you can see, it sets completely untouched. That's it. You've now created a symbolic link from one folder to another with a different name in Ubuntu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.